Change server name using Server Manager. Using the Server Manager, you can easily change the server name. When you start your system, it automatically launches on your desktop. Otherwise, you can also launch Server or Windows Server Manager from the Start menu of your Windows server. First, click on the local server from the left side sidebar menu and click on the computer name. By that, the System Properties dialog appears on the screen. Click on the Change button in the Computer Name tab. Then enter the server name in the computer name field that you want to use as a server name. Further, click on More. Then enter the primary DNS suffix for your computer. Then click on OK. At this point, you need to restart your Windows server to apply the above changes. Now click Restart, which will restart your computer right away. To verify the changes, again open the Server Manager and you will notice that the computer name is successfully changed or updated. Step 2. On setting a static IP address. First, go to Control Panel and type ncpa.cpl in the windows that pops up. After you enter, then select the network adapter. Right-click on the network adapter that is currently connected to the device that you are trying to configure. Usually, it will be the adapter with the word Ethernet in the name. Then, select Properties from the drop-down menu. Then, select Internet Protocol version 4. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then it will manually enter IP address and subnet mask. Select Use the following IP address and then input the following information in the corresponding fields. IP address, check the device that you are connected to in order to locate the IP address. The first 3 sets of digits should match. For this tutorial, we will use IP address 192.168.10.10. In the subnet mask, between the device that you are trying to connect to needs to be the same as your PC. For this tutorial, we will use a subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then, save the settings. Click on OK on Internet Protocol version 4, Properties, Windows, and I'll also click the OK button on the Ethernet Properties windows. The OK buttons must be clicked in both instances or your settings will not be saved. On Enable Remote Desktop, first click on the Start button and start typing the word System. You will almost immediately be prompted to open the System Settings menu. Then go to Remote Desktop. Click on the Enable Remote Desktop switch. This allowed us to enable the Windows Remote Desktop service. Next, we need to configure the Remote Desktop service to work and connect to the service properly. In case you need to keep your computer always active and available for automatic detection over the local network, you can set the appropriate sliders to the active state by presetting the computer detection over the network. Once you have the settings we want to go, Advanced Settings. After you go to the Advanced Settings, make sure that the connection security option network level authentication is checked as active, just like on the picture. After enabling Remote Desktop in Windows system, we need to allow incoming connections in Windows Firewall. To do this, open Start and type Windows Firewall, and then click on the suggested option. In the new window, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defending Firewall. In the list of services, find Remote Desktop. If the zone settings are not checked, you need to check them and save the changes. You can also go to the list of all incoming connections rule, and in the list of rules, find the rules related to remote desktop. Make sure that these rules are marked with a green check mark and the enabled state shows yes. In case they are disabled, you should select the rule or right-click on several rules and enable the Enable Rule button. These actions are enough to enable RDP in Windows.
This is a continuation. Step 4. Add roles and features. Open Server Manager and click the Manage, Add Roles and Features. And then use the wizard to install what I need. Like web server IIS for hosting websites.
DNS Active Directory for domain services if needed. Finish the wizards and let it install.
And then to file server for sharing of files. Run Windows updates. Open settings. Update security. Windows update and check for updates and install all updates.